Morning. I'm not too sure what we're doing today. What we are sure of is Grumpy has been on it, with the shows and stuff. So at the moment, we've just washed this. We're just about to leather it off. We're going to give it, I don't know if you can tell, it's quite flat. We're going to polish it to within an inch of its life. Might even tea-cut it, then polish it, is the plan. And I'm not too sure what we're doing then. But so far, at the moment, a wash, a leather, a tea-cut, a polish, and then we'll see what exciting things we fancy doing after that. I'll show you bits and might time lapse a bit, but obviously I'm sure I don't want to stand here and watch someone polishing, so I might show you a bit of time lapse and a bit of before and after, and then we'll see what else we want to do. So we're starting off with tea-cut. So I don't know if you can see on the camera, the paintwork is awesome but dull, if you know what I mean. So we're not using a machine polisher because neither of us like them. We don't like them because we're frightened of them. Stories of, oh, you'll burn through the paint. So we're doing it the manual, old-fashioned way. So we're going to tea-cut it, and then we'll show you the results of a bit of elbow grease and tea-cut. So give us a mo and we'll show you how it turns out. Oh, responding quite nice. So this is only tea-cut, so we've not even started. So one side tea-cutted, one side tea-cut on. Bonnet tea-cutted, not taken off. But yeah, at the moment, elbow grease, tea-cut. That's where we're starting at. You've seen other videos. This paint's in great nick, but flat as Grumpy's arse. So we'll carry on. Okay, a bit out of breath. Right, it's just tea-cut. Bonnet, roof. So not done. Let's see how flat that is compared to that. So it's just been washed. So flat, yes. Yes, right, so I'll show you when the rest of it's done. Dickie's hard at it. Yeah, Puff?
No, I'm alright at the minute.
It's alright. You out, Puff? I am. Do you want to do this? Hey, do you want to do this? Right, we'll crack on. And we'll show you the end. Decutted. So, just finishing, just tea-cut, and as you can see, it's actually quite a bit better in dull light because you can really see the flat is going. So I say all we've done, as you can hear we're both out of breath, is tea-cut. That's it. So Dickie's only going to want to do one coat of polish. We're doing 2 coats of polish, don't tell him.
Why is this?
We're doing 2 coats of polish, and it will look awesome. Polished up. Love or hate the brown, polished up. Tell you what, they don't half look well. Apart from the bottom of one door, this is all original paint. That door. Driver's side, bottom of the door has been resprayed, and you can tell the rest of it is original paint. So you're all going to be saying, Scotty, Grumpy, why are you spending hours with your rag when you could get a woo thing? We don't like the woo thing, do we?
Don't like what?
The woo thing.
No.
Frightens us. So we're alright, we'll stick to polishing away. Right, we're all gonna go and have a rest for 5 minutes, and then we'll start polishing. Yeah, coming up well. First coat of polish on. It's the Autoglym. What's the Autoglym stuff called? What was the Autoglym stuff called?
I should show you.
I thought it was the resin stuff. It's not, it's a cream. That's what we're using. I thought it was the resin. It's a bit of a cream, so it's going to do well, but it's going to be one of them for taking off. Luckily it's a perfect day for it. It's not too sunny. It's warm enough that we're not cold because we're out here working. Well, sort of working. So yeah, let's take it off and also show you with one coat of polish. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first coat of polish. I'm a bit bollocks now, are you?
Yeah, same.
But it's coming up very well. As I say, paint that was very flat, as you can see, and I'm hoping you can see better now there's not actually sun on it. Does, looks well. Using a bit of elbow grease can do. Right, as we're a bit pooped, I think we might stop for 5 minutes and then try and gear ourselves up for doing coat number 2. So after we've done this, do you want to should we wash and polish teacut and polish the Stag? Or do you want to go to the pub?
Not today though.
Yeah, definitely not doing that today. What time is it? 10 to 2.
1:40.
Wow. Right, we've been at this a while. Right. Let's crack on. It's even better from down here. As you can see, the nice shine. Right. I've made an executive decision.
What?
Because it does actually look really well.
So we're going pub?
No, the executive decision is, because it does look so well after one,
Yeah.
bonnet and boot, you put it on, I'll take it off.
Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because it does look well. Well, that's what we did for the Stag last year, do you remember? We polished all of it and then redid bonnet and boot.
Yeah.
Stag's easy because Stag's got no roof. Dickie. Stag's easy because Stag's got no roof. Right.
I've lost an email.
He's lost an email. Right, we're going to do this last bit of polishing. We won't be able. Honestly, teacut, 2 coats of wax. Yeah, wow. Taking the second coat of wax off, it's literally like Dickie's bum was in about 1952? 52?
Say again.
52?
When I was born?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, 1952. Right, I'll finish off. We are second coating the bonnet and the boot. Because we're going to the pub. Yeah, second coat, lovely, and I mean lovely. So pleased the way it's come up. It was really flat, you know. It was really flat. So yeah, so bonnet and boot 2 coats, the rest of it 1 coat. And I'll tell you what, we're knackered, and I mean knackered, but as you can see, I'll tell you what, I've come up well. Right, we're a bit knackered, and we are definitely off to the pub. Dickie's driving, he's having a coffee. I might force myself to have a pint. So yeah, so a little one. Obviously I know it's a little video, but it's been actually quite a bit. What time did you get here? What time did you get here?
About 25 to 11.
Right, so say we started at 11 and it's 2:30. 3 hours.
We'll call it 10:30, it's 4 hours, isn't it?
Right. 3 to 4 hours. If you can please comment on people that use the things, because but yeah, we're really chuffed, really pleased, and we'll catch you next time. Very shiny, doesn't it? Look at them reversing lights. She's a bit close to that wall. Reversing light looks good, don't it? Look at it shining in the sunshine. Right, we're definitely going now because we're definitely off to the pub. I'll move so I don't get run over. A good polishing. We're off to the pub. Catch you next time. Definitely now, catch you next time.